Today we have quite the journey, so we need to start early.
Oh wow, Jess, you were right.
So nice.
This place looks like a fairy tale. This place is super untouched. Oh my goodness, where have you booked us in? Wow. Hey guys, and welcome to Slovakia. We are so excited because today marks the first day of our road trip through the country. This morning we picked up our rental car in Bratislava and we're kind of just working out as we go day by day on what we want to see. But we just arrived in our very first spot.
So if you guys are interested, the car hire was only 75 euros, so I thought that was pretty cheap. And to get out here was so easy. We basically took two highways and we've now arrived at the city of Bojnice. And the reason we've decided to come here first is because of a castle. This castle is said to be one of the most beautiful in all of Europe, so we knew we had to go and see that one for ourselves.
Oh wow, Jess, you were right.
So nice.
This place looks like a fairy tale.
So the only way that you can see this castle is actually on a guided tour, so we're currently on it now, and it's all in Slovak, so we have no idea what they're saying, but they did give us an English paper, and we've been going room to room, and this place is amazing. Seriously, it feels like you're in a fairy tale.
We've just come from the top of the castle down to the courtyard. It's so nice, there's vines growing on the walls. It's really well kept as well.
So the last part of the tour takes you 26 meters down into the bottom of the well. We've just entered and instantly it is way colder in here.
Also, there's bats.
Oh my gosh, this is freaky.
This is a cool tour though.
It is so clear. Whoa, so we didn't realize that the water is actually sourced from a cave. So we're currently underground, underneath the castle, inside a cave.
It's so like eerie in here. Also the well's just over there and we're looking down at it just before we entered.
So we learned that this castle was built in the 12th century, and as each owner came along, they would add and build up the castle until what it looks like today. And the last owner actually died in the early 1900s, and his dying wish was to let the public finally come and see the castle, and now that's why we get to go in it today.
He must be happy as well because this is the most visited castle in all of Slovakia.
But we barely saw anyone here.
Yeah, this place is super untouched.
So our hotel is only 15 minutes away from the town, and on the way we were looking for a place to eat, and we have found the cutest place. Like, I did not expect to find a restaurant like this. It looks really new and modern, and we just ordered hummus. Look at this.
It looks pretty
This is gonna be good.
I feel like this place, you can have like a wedding here.
Yeah,
it's that nice.
It's really nice.
And it was pretty reasonably priced. This was €4. We're getting some...
Meals are €6. So cheap. How cute does this look, Steve?
Wow, what have you booked us? This is cool. It's like little cabins.
Yeah, I found us like these little wooden cabins. Oh my gosh, looks so cute.
Wow, it's like in the middle of nowhere.
So cute.
With this road trip, Jess kind of planned most of the trip, so I actually didn't know where we were staying tonight. And there's these little wooden cabins that you check into. She was saying it was €50 a night, so...
And I booked us the junior suite, whatever that means.
So we're gonna go check it out, but I mean, wow, this is such unique accommodation. They have like a campsite set up, it's right next to a cornfield. We just feel like we're just in the middle of nowhere. Really unique.
Alrighty, I think we're in the top of this.
Huh.
Super cute. Oh, the little views. Really cool. Alright.
So each room has names. We're in Mariska.
Yes, Marissa. Oh, it's really cute.
Yeah?
You go first. Hang on, I'll turn on the light for you. It's so cute.
Oh,
It's
wow.
like Goldilocks.
Huh, this is so nice. We have a little almost mini kitchenette. We have a TV. We can have some dinner here.
And it's like all made of wood. This is so cute. And I guess in the winter time, so they have a little portable fireplace, but at the moment it's quite warm. It's like 29 degrees today. So it's been very nice weather. And I saw we also have our own bathroom too. There's our bathroom.
This is so cool. This is going to be a nice little night.
I want to go see the sheep. Oh my gosh. Where are the sheep going? A guy just came, opened the gate, and the sheep just started following him just before I could say hi to the sheep.
Do we follow the sheep?
I feel like they're going somewhere for bedtime.
Let's go follow the sheep. We now have some free roaming sheep. Hey, at least you get a closer look.
So cute. Oh my gosh, look at it just chowing down. That's why you don't need lawnmowers. You just use sheep.
So ever since we checked into our cabins, which are in the middle of nowhere, there's just a cornfield, I see mountains all around, there's sheep, you can hear the birds. But there was one thing distracting me from the beauty of this secluded place. For some reason, the owner decided to put this gigantic inflatable yellow slide. But hey, who am I kidding? I ain't complaining. Best hotel ever.
Morning guys, it is the next day. We have to be a little bit quiet because we've woken up super early. It's not even 7 a.m. yet, but today we have quite the journey, so we need to start early. Today we are heading to the mountains. It's around, we're going to do 4.5 hours of driving today and stopping off at about 4 spots before we get up there, but
It's a big day.
It is a big day.
It was in the air before a word was spoken.
Alrighty, the road trip continues.
When the time stood still and I felt the weight of the moment.
Alrighty, we are slowly making our way up. We are currently 900 meters above sea level.
Turned into us.
Oh my gosh, how cute is this place, guys? We've just arrived in a traditional village. It's called Cicmany, and it's made up of all these traditional houses covered in these white symbols.
So you guys are probably wondering why there's all these white symbols on the houses. So back in the day, they made this paint and it was used to protect the wood of the houses, and then they just painted it with all these different symbols. And now it's at a point that these symbols have become a part of Slovakian culture to the point that they use these on their Olympic players.
Oh, there's a hotel here. All right, guys, if you're in the area, you want to stay somewhere, you can literally stay in this village.
Morning, buddy.
Oh, we have a traditional village cat. Hi. You're cute.
You're so cute. Alrighty, we found the cutest little cafe.
Did you find out how to say thank you?
Yakwim.
Yakwim.
My first Slovak word.
Oh, thank you. Wasn't this that sweet that someone messaged you about?
Is it?
I think so. Wait. Oh. This is a really good shortbread.
I don't know. Is any Slovakians watching? Is this a traditional shortbread snack? Cheers, Bobs.
Cheers. You know what I think has been really cool about this road trip so far? Is that everything I've planned has been basically off one photo. So I haven't been able to find too much online, but I did find one photo of this place and I was like, where is that? Found it on Google and came. Did not realize it was going to be an entire village with a coffee machine.
And really good shortbread.
Really good shortbread.
Looking at a sky so clear. So much to discover here. Setting out on my own, all the places I can go.
So we've just driven for another hour further north, and we're actually super close to the Polish border. But since we've been driving since 7 this morning, we thought we'd stretch our legs, and we've come out to a place called Sulov Rocks, and there's this beautiful hike you can do. You know you're almost at the hike when you drive past an epic ruined castle called Sulov Castle. Just drive for a little bit more, turn right, and then you'll come to the rocks. Jess, what are you doing?
This is the Luke.
It's actually quite nice. You can tell that it's quite popular to hike here in Slovakia. It's school holidays at the moment in August, so there's a lot of families walking around. This hike, there's like 3 or 4 ones you can do. We're doing about a 20-minute one, and we elevate about 450 meters up.
Oh my goodness, the hiking up there is incredible. We only did the hike that basically took you to the base of the rocks, but if you have time, I recommend jumping in some hiking gear and getting to the top. I think it might take 2 or 3 hours to get there, but they look amazing. I bet you the views up there would be unreal. But we need to jump on the road because it is time to start heading to the Tatras Mountains.
Before we go,
All right,
I think we deserve a sneaky snack.
snack time,
Yeah.
then hit the road. Oh my goodness, well that weather changed. We are now in the low Tatras Mountains and we're making our way to the high Tatras Mountains, and we stopped off at a little town for lunch, and it just happens to have the most epic castle ever.
I think we found where all the people were hiding.
This is going to be interesting. Gnocchi with poppy seeds. They are huge. Oh, it's filled with poppy seeds.
Oh, is it? Wow. Hopefully that's not
It's
too
like
much.
poppy seeds and butter.
Does it work?
It's sweet.
Oh, really? I don't think we ordered from the dessert menu, but...
This has got a sweet taste to it. It's interesting. Guys, we're currently climbing higher and higher, currently 1,300 meters above sea level, and we're about 10 minutes away. Okay, we're about 3 minutes away and Stephen hasn't seen where we're staying yet. Are you excited?
I am, because we're like really high up, so I'm expecting like good views. Oh my goodness, where have you booked us in? Wow. And now we can see what the high Tatras Mountains are, because they're looking at us right now.
Okay, he's taking us back in, but I wanted to show you. That is what our hotel looks like from the front.